Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we are diving into something essential for health, fitness, and everyday energy: hydration. I'll be reviewing the hydration powder with 45 servings, a Canadian-owned electrolyte drink mix that's been gaining a lot of buzz. This hydration powder is designed to restore electrolytes, keep you energized, and help with recovery after workouts, travel, or even just a long day. What makes it stand out is that it's Canadian-owned, meaning it's built with quality and trust at its core. Each container gives you 45 full servings, so it lasts much longer compared to typical hydration packs. Packed with essential electrolytes like sodium, potassium, magnesium, and calcium, helping your body absorb water more effectively. Low in sugar but still refreshing, so you're not just drinking flavored sugar water. Great for athletes, travelers, or anyone who feels fatigued or dehydrated. Super convenient, just mix a scoop with water, and you're ready to go. The taste is surprisingly light and refreshing, not overly sweet like some sports drinks. It mixes well with water, no clumps, and it doesn't leave that chalky aftertaste. If you're into fitness, outdoor activities, or you just want to feel more hydrated throughout the day, this is a great option. Honestly, I even use it on busy work days when I forget to drink enough water. So if you're looking for a reliable electrolyte mix that's Canadian-owned and lasts a long time, definitely check out the hydration powder. I'll drop a link down below where you can grab yours. Thanks for watching. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe for more health and wellness reviews, and stay hydrated. See you in the next one.